100 Daily Habits to Transform Your Life. Part 1. What you eat becomes part of who you are, literally. Nutrition is the foundation of energy, mood, immunity, and long-term vitality. In this section, you'll discover small, manageable eating habits that nourish your body without stress, restriction, or guilt. Habit number 1. Drink a glass of water. First thing in the morning. There's a reason why wellness experts, doctors, and nutritionists all agree on this one simple habit. It works. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning is one of the easiest ways to reset and rehydrate your body after a long night's rest. Why is it so important? When you sleep, your body goes without water for 6 to 8 hours. That's a long time to be dehydrated. As a result, you may wake up feeling tired, sluggish, or foggy-headed. Not because you didn't sleep well, but because your cells are thirsty. Rehydrating first thing in the morning does more than just quench your thirst. It kickstarts your metabolism, supports digestion, flushes out toxins, and helps your brain function clearly. It's like pressing the refresh button for your body. How to build this habit? Keep a glass or bottle of water next to your bed. As soon as you wake up, before you do anything else, even before checking your phone, drink it. Room temperature or lukewarm water is best, as cold water may shock your system first thing in the morning. Want to boost the benefits? Add a slice of lemon for extra vitamin C and digestive support. The science behind it. Studies have shown that starting your day with water improves alertness and can even increase calorie burn. It also helps the body flush out the waste that's been processed overnight by the liver. Bonus tip: if you struggle to remember, set a simple reminder on your phone or use sticky notes until it becomes second nature. Over time, your body will begin to crave hydration in the morning, just like it craves coffee or breakfast. Long-term impact. This habit may seem small, but the long-term effects are powerful. Better digestion, clearer skin, more energy, and improved focus are just a few of the rewards. One glass of water each morning might be the smallest habit on your list, but it's also one of the most impactful. Habit number 2, eat at least 3 servings of vegetables daily. Vegetables are often underestimated, seen as just a side dish or something to add color to the plate. But in reality, they are nutritional powerhouses. Making vegetables a central part of your daily meals is one of the most impactful steps you can take for your long-term health. Why it matters. Vegetables are rich in essential nutrients. Fiber, vitamins, like A, C, and K. Minerals, such as potassium and magnesium, and powerful antioxidants that help your body fight off disease. From boosting your immune system to lowering inflammation and improving digestion, the benefits are undeniable. What's more, they are naturally low in calories and high in volume, which means you can eat a lot and still feel light and energized. If weight management is part of your goal, vegetables are your best friend. How to make it happen? Aim for at least 3 servings a day and try to include them in different meals. 1 serving equals 1 cup of raw leafy greens like spinach or lettuce, 1 tomato 2 cup of cooked vegetables like carrots, broccoli, or peas, 1 medium-sized vegetable like a tomato, bell pepper, or zucchini. Start simple. Add a handful of spinach or sliced tomato to your morning sandwich or eggs. Make a salad the base of your lunch, not just a side. Roast a mix of vegetables and olive oil for dinner. Easy, delicious, and satisfying. Keep it interesting. Variety is key. Eating different types and colors of vegetables ensures you get a wide range of nutrients. Try leafy greens, cruciferous veggies like cauliflower and Brussels sprouts, root vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots, and even fermented ones like sauerkraut and kimchi. Spices, herbs, and healthy fats like olive oil can turn boring veggies into flavor-packed dishes you'll crave. The long-term benefits. Regular vegetable intake is linked to a reduced risk of chronic illnesses like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. It also supports better digestion, stronger bones, healthier skin, and more stable energy throughout the day. Pro tip: pre-wash and prep your vegetables ahead of time to make them more convenient to grab during busy days. The easier you make it, the more likely you'll stick to it. Habit number 3: limit added sugars. Sugar is everywhere, from your morning cereal to your favorite salad dressing. While natural sugars found in fruits and dairy are generally safe and healthy in moderation, added sugars are a silent threat to your health. They sneak into your diet, add empty calories, and increase your risk of multiple health issues without offering any real nutritional value. The problem with added sugars: consuming too much added sugar has been directly linked to weight gain, obesity, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver, heart disease, and even premature aging. It also causes sharp energy spikes followed by crashes, leaving you feeling tired, moody, and craving more sugar. Common sources of added sugar include soda and other sugary drinks, flavored yogurts, packaged snacks, sauces like ketchup and barbecue sauce, breakfast cereals, baked goods and pastries. How to cut back. Start by reading nutrition labels carefully. Sugar can hide behind names like glucose, fructose, corn syrup, cane juice, maltose, and more. Aim to consume no more than 25 grams, 6 teaspoons, of added sugar per day for women, and 36 grams, 9 teaspoons, for men, as recommended by the American Heart Association. Simple swaps can help. Choose plain yogurt and add fresh fruit. Replace soda with sparkling water and lemon. Bake at home using natural sweeteners like honey or dates. Train your taste buds to enjoy less sweetness over time. The long-term reward. Reducing added sugars may lead to clearer skin, fewer cravings, more stable energy, improved heart health, and better weight control. It's a small change with massive benefits over time. Habit number 4: avoid processed foods. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often comes in a box or bag, but processed foods, those that have been altered from their natural state, can seriously harm your health when consumed regularly. From frozen dinners to packaged snacks and sugary cereals, processed foods are often stripped of nutrients and packed with artificial ingredients. What's the issue? Most processed foods are high in refined sugars, sodium, unhealthy fats, preservatives, and chemical additives. They're designed to be hyper-palatable, which means they make you overeat without feeling satisfied. This not only leads to weight gain, but also increases the risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, and digestive issues. Examples of processed foods to limit: instant noodles and packaged soups, store-bought cookies, cakes, and chips, processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and sausages, frozen pizza and microwavable meals, sugary breakfast cereals and granola bars. Smart alternatives. Choose whole foods like fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean meats, and legumes. Prepare meals at home when possible. You'll have full control over ingredients. Batch cook simple meals for busy days. Shop the perimeter of the grocery store where the freshest items usually are. Small steps, big results. You don't need to cut out processed foods 100% to see benefits. Start by eliminating 1 or 2 highly processed items per week and replace them with wholesome options. Your body will notice the difference and thank you for it. Habit number 5: Eat slowly and mindfully. In a world where multitasking is the norm, eating often becomes an afterthought, done quickly while scrolling through a phone or working at a desk. But how you eat is just as important as what you eat. Eating slowly and mindfully can transform your relationship with food, improve digestion, and help you maintain a healthy weight without restrictive diets. Why slow eating matters. When you eat quickly, your brain doesn't have enough time to register fullness. It takes about 20 minutes for the body's satiety signals to kick in. That means you may consume more than your body actually needs, leading to bloating, indigestion, and unnecessary weight gain. Mindful eating brings your attention to the experience of eating, the texture, flavor, aroma, and satisfaction of each bite. It helps you reconnect with food and develop a healthier, more intuitive way of eating. Simple ways to slow down. Put your fork down between bites. Chew thoroughly, aim for 20-30 times per bite. Eliminate distractions. No phones, TV, or laptops at the table. Eat in silence or engage in relaxed conversation. Focus on how the food makes you feel, not just the taste. Powerful results. Eating slowly improves digestion by allowing enzymes and saliva to break down food properly. It also reduces emotional eating, curbs overeating, and helps you feel more satisfied with smaller portions. This one habit can change the way you think about food for life.